Mrs. H here, and I'm going to go ahead and talk about some websites that we use in our classroom that we're going to be using this year. Excuse me. Before we get started, I want to show you some areas that you can find the links to our websites, and then we'll talk about how to save those links to our bookmarks. Here we go. So if I go into my main Google Classroom, and I go over to classwork. I have over here in all my topics, I have class websites. If I click on that, here is a Google Doc that has our class websites. There's a few more on here than what's on my virtual classroom, but we'll be using these off and on. So if you just click on these websites, then it would take you directly to that website. So there's one way to go ahead and do it. Another way is still in our Google Classroom, is if you click on Mrs. H's virtual classroom, and it'll come down here, you click onto the classroom, virtual classroom. On the bookshelf over here are also links that you could go ahead and you can click on to get you to the websites. So there's two ways to get to websites. Another way to go ahead and get to the website is if you just go ahead and click the tab and then you type in the website. So let's say I'm going to go to ixl.com and I can go ahead and get in that way. So here is another way to get into the websites. Once you're at the websites, you could then bookmark, like for example, mine's already bookmarked, but you could go ahead and bookmark it, and that way it's IXL, it's on the bookmark bar. That means it's going to be right up here, so I can quickly get to where I want to go. Now I want to bookmark where the login information is. I don't want to bookmark already that I'm in, I want to bookmark where I'm about to log in at. So here is my bookmark, and I just go ahead and say done. So that's how you can go ahead and get to our class websites. There's different ways you can do it. Once it's bookmarked, you can then always type in your passwords and you can always hit remind or remember. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.